Synty Studios is having some amazing Black Friday deals with up to 70% off. So if you head on down and click on this Black Friday sale, you'll see these 8 assets that are 70% off. And the most expensive one, which is $500 for the sci-fi worlds, is now down to only $150. And it comes with a lot of assets. So let's go over them. This is one of my favorite asset packs by Synty. I've done some sci-fi UI HUD to go over how to create stuff in Unreal Engine, but amazing pack with tons of sci-fi related prefabs coming with multiple races, lots of environment, foliage, and so on. And you can get this for the low price of $150 from syntystudios.com. Feel free to use my affiliate link in the description below if you want to support my channel. It's completely free for you to use. It doesn't change anything about the prices. You'll still get the Black Friday sale that's going on right now. Next up is the Apocalypse Wasteland pack. This went from $380 all the way down to $114. This is giving me a low poly Borderlands type vibes. And yeah, this is the Apocalypse Wasteland pack. Amazing, amazing pack. And absolutely love this. I will be showcasing this in some of my future videos. Next up on the list is my personal favorite, the Fantasy Kingdom pack from $350 to $105. And if you've been following my YouTube channel for a while, you have definitely seen these in my videos. I love all the characters, all the weapons. I love anything RPG related. I love Lord of the Rings. I love any type of medieval genre stuff. I'm really into like knights, castles, mage, archers, and stuff. That just gives me the very game vibe that I love to create using Unreal Engine, Godot, and Unity. And yeah, this pack is on sale as well. This is one of the 70% offs that I'm going over. So yeah. And yeah, I just can't get enough of Synty assets. These look amazing. Next up, we have the Apocalypse HUD pack. This is already configured to work in Unity. These are all pre-made and you can just plug it in and just code it a little bit and have it match whatever HP bar, mana, stamina, energy system that you're using. And yeah, that's one thing I love about using Unity with Synty assets. It all comes already ready working for you as prefabs. But you can simply import these PNGs and make it work in Unreal Engine and Godot as well. And just look how beautiful these animations are on these UI pack. UI is personally something that I struggle with and not really interested in creating from scratch. I love to use Synty's pre-made assets on their UI stuff. And yeah, I just love how they showcase in what different ways you can use these. They look absolutely amazing. I can't get over how many different styles and what you can do with this for whether you want to make RTS games, RPGs, shooters, and so on. And of course, if you need some environments in your game, really good looking low poly environments that go with Synty stuff, the Season 2 Nature Bundle is on sale now, and it features the Alpine, the Enchanted Forest, and the Arid Desert. And as you can see, this is part of the Enchanted Forest. It just looks absolutely amazing. Comes with a ton of models that you can rearrange to whatever your liking is. Make any type of environment you want. And this Arid Desert looks quite amazing. This is kind of giving me a Monster Hunter type vibe if you're into low poly Monster Hunter type games. And this Enchanted Forest had a beautiful fountain right in the middle with some amazing sky lighting assets. And this is the mountains with these very Skyrim end game looking skies as well with the northern lights and these beautiful farmhouses. But yeah, overall amazing, amazing assets. Synty nature bundles or Synty environment assets are very underrated in my opinion. Next up, we have the Interface Sci-Fi Soldier HUD pack. I've done a tutorial on this in Unreal Engine, but this comes pre-made as prefabs in Unity if you just want to plug it in and just have it working right off the back, right out the box with their animations. It just looks absolutely amazing. This is down from $100 down to $30 now. And yeah, just look how beautiful this UI is. It comes with all the weapons in the sci-fi packs. They even have some mech images and you get a compass on top, mini maps, weapon, ammo, so on, aiming cursors, target cursors, HP bars, and just a ton of things that you can do in order to create a beautiful sci-fi HUD. And now their locomotion set is only $21. It comes with crouch, running, jogging, walking, turn in place, and much more with over 200 animations in place. I think it's exactly 247, 70% off. They've created some sword locomotion with 105 animations for only $18 for Black Friday. And as you can see portrayed in this video, you can use combat animations to make some sick cinematics along with some very great combat that works on the Synty characters straight out the box for Unity, and it's pretty easy to configure in Unreal. I do have a couple tutorials if you want to add these to your Unreal Engine characters on my channel. And yeah, really love that Synty is now not only doing 3D models, but also animations and UIs and stuff like that. Very amazing Black Friday deals. Can't recommend them enough. Just some amazing, amazing assets by Synty. I love everything that they do. The only one that's not over 50% off is this new pack, which is this military combat HUD, which I'll be going over in another video because I do want to use this personally before showing it off. And also in the next video, I will be going over some of the sidekick stuff that you can do, which is a new addition where you can create endless characters using their sidekick character creator. And this is strictly for Unity, but they do have an option to just export the prefab or export the 3D model, and then you can plug it into Godot, Unreal, and so on. Thanks for watching Codes Row. Like, subscribe, enjoy your Black Friday deals. You still have 4 days and 15 hours to take advantage of it. Thanks for watching.